इस शहर में गुजरे हैं यादों के लम्हे, हर सांस में तेरी ही याद आती रहे। देखूं जिधर सब है अपने अपने यहाँ, इस शहर में गुजरे हैं यादों के लम्हे।
Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Salam Namaste UAE. मैं हूं तराना and as you know, हमारे शो में इस साल we're celebrating the year of giving. आज हमारे एपिसोड में इन द सेगमेंट बड़े दिल वाले हमारी मुलाकात होगी तो बड़ी ही एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी लेडी से। यू नो हाउ कभी कभी एक छोटी सी मुलाकात एक गहरे रिश्ते में तब्दील हो जाती है, ठीक ऐसा ही हुआ मिस नीना रायना और मिस आरती खजामची के साथ। दुबई के एक ड्राइविंग इंस्टीट्यूट में एक चांस एनकाउंटर के बाद इन दोनों की जिंदगी टोटली बदल गई। They found a common purpose in life and together they set up an extraordinary facility जिसका नाम है The Tender Hearts Arena in the year 2015. ये एक ऐसी फैसिलिटी है जहां स्पेशल नीड्स वाले बच्चे अलग अलग रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटीज को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। We're talking singing, dancing, art, craft, karate, you name it, and it's all available under one roof. और इस फैसिलिटी में थ्रू दीज रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटीज दे आर ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रूव द सोशल, बिहेवियरल एंड लाइफ स्किल्स ऑफ दीज स्पेशल नीड्स चिल्ड्रन। टू फाइंड आउट मोर अबाउट दिस इनिशिएटिव, लेट्स गो मीट द फाउंडर्स। Aarti, Naina, thank you very much for being a part of Salam Namaste UAE.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much.
And it's quite amazing for us to be here at Tender Hearts Arena. It looks like a fascinating, fabulous facility.
So it's a pleasure to be with you and you guys, and I think you get an opportunity to see how we work in this beautiful place, I think.
So what made the two of you decide to open Tender Hearts Arena?
Actually, since we were here, so our kids were settled, going to school and all. So we being from a professional background, we wanted to do actually something at home, from home. And I also have a special child and he's 18 now.
Okay.
And we were busy looking at that that he goes for music and he goes for different places. But the other parents normally used to tell me that how come your son goes there and there, Normally we didn't have any place where he could have gone, without any, fights or push or, because there's no place like a recreation which was there.
I think when we talk about recreation, there is no other way you can connect with a child.
Right.
I think recreation is the best form of learning medium where you connect with a child. When the child is born, it's a baby. So you don't have ABCD or 1, 2, 3 right from day one.
No.
So how do you connect with a child?
Through fun.
Through fun,
Yeah.
through
That's how
rhymes,
we
through
normally do
playing.
that.
So that's what the whole, I think, the beauty of recreation is. That you don't need degrees, you don't need 1, 2, 3, you don't need academics.
There's no age also,
There's no
actually.
age.
There's no age
But it's
recreation.
interesting because here, through the recreational activities, what you're actually doing is enhancing their social skills and behavioral skills and
Physical
life
fitness,
skills.
it's basically that's how we actually thought about it. And then we said, let's have a place where we'll have everything.
So what is everything? I know there's
Everything
dance,
means
there's music.
it's like having one-stop fun.
One-stop
rather.
fun, yeah.
Like having everything under one roof.
Huh.
So where a child enters and he sees there's yoga on one side, there's creative art on the other side, music on the other side, and he can explore or she can explore her imagination to the level of what she wants.
Yeah.
It's not like you're not limiting them.
So how many different recreational activities do you have here?
We have around nine.
Now we have increased actually 2 more, so
Oh,
but
wow.
it's 9 I think.
And all your teachers, instructors are qualified to work with
Yes,
special needs
they
kids?
are specialized in their own fields. Like
Yeah.
we have yoga consultants, we have music instructors, we have a martial arts instructor. They are all specialized in their own field, and they have been working with these children.
What happens that they don't know, they feel that it's like a club kind of setting.
Right.
So when they come in, it's like a place where nobody is going to push them or say don't do this, don't do that. But in a way, they don't know that we are observing. and they are doing whatever they like.
Huh.
And when they like something, or they like the atmosphere, they like the environment, they give their best. We
Right.
don't have to actually push
Actually
them
push
also.
them. It's like allow them,
actually-
let them be what they are.
What they are,
That's the whole idea.
So इस वक्त हमारे जो viewers घर पर हैं who might have special needs children, अगर उनको यहाँ पे admission चाहिए, what's the process like?
It's quite simple. It's just that we have these registration forms, and they need to fill that, which is as usual in any center. You have to fill that registration form. In addition to that, we take the supplemental intake forms, where we come to know that parents have to jot down certain strengths and weaknesses of their child, and if they know the interest of a child, that this child is interested in certain activities or has a specific talent.
And now we can see clinics also offering music therapy and yoga therapy, which we have started, so we are proud of that people
You
are
should be.
actually
Yes, it is like at
doing
least
that.
we have created that awareness, and we've seen that okay, you have to believe in your child, and these are the activities which would help you in strengthening that belief.
We are doing two things. We are actually we are training the kids over there of grade 10, 11 and 12 for volunteers, actually, in the sense that we don't believe that anybody who will come and become a volunteer. So
Yeah.
we actually train them.
These volunteer programs, when we talk about training these volunteers, so you are creating a world which is not a world of sympathy. So we are converting sympathy to empathy.
Right.
That is what we need, because they are the children who will grow tomorrow. They'll meet people in a regular stream. They have to be, an ultimate goal is also to place them into a job.
Right,
And we
yeah.
are planning a musical theatre that
Yeah.
would be at the end of the year,
Yeah.
where we are trying to put them for show. So we will be showcasing a talent show very
Yeah,
soon,
fingers crossed, yeah.
around Christmas.
Theatre,
maybe.
where we
Theatre.
show that they will show that what they are, and we want to show to the world that don't underestimate these kids. They are brilliant. They're brilliant than us. We are defocused. They are not.
Yeah.
And
It is just that
that's
we
why
have
we
to
use
channelize
that
their
line
attention.
that we believe every child has a talent. So we
That's our
don't-
baseline.
That's our baseline.
Well, since you believe every child has a talent and you make sure that you hone that talent and then you take that talent to the rest of the world. Ladies, thank you very much. It's been an eye-opening experience for me, and I'm sure everyone sitting at home is saying, all right, we know how we can make a difference, and how we're going to maybe talk to our schools and say, if we don't have this volunteer training program already, how to reach out to you. Please, if people randomly call you and say, can you start it in our school, please accept them.
Everybody is
We are
welcome. I
open.
think our doors are open for everyone.
We'll
It's-
be more
it's,
than happy actually to have them here. So that is the whole objective and
that's
goal.
the-
So
All right, listen, wishing you all the best and every success. Thank you very much for doing what you do, and thank you for being a part of Salam
Thank
Namaste
you for
UAE.
having us.
Thank you for
over
having
here,
us,
and we had a very lovely time, Tarana, with you.
thank you.
Thank you. See you soon. All children deserve a life full of love, support and dignity. और ये हमारा फर्ज है कि हम हर बच्चे को उसके पोटेंशियल तक पहुंचाएं। वक्त है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, लेकिन ब्रेक के बाद इट्स टाइम फॉर आवर दिल से शुक्रन सेगमेंट, सो डोंट गो टू फार।
यादों के लम्हे, यादों के लम्हे।
वेलकम बैक आफ्टर द ब्रेक। सलाम नमस्ते यूएई के अगले सेगमेंट दिल से शुक्रन में वी आर गोइंग टू रिकॉग्नाइज द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द ब्लू कॉलर वर्कर्स इन द यूएई। यहाँ पर बसे हजारों ब्लू कॉलर वर्कर्स की क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए देयर इज एन एनजीओ कॉल्ड स्मार्ट लाइफ दैट इज डूइंग सम वंडरफुल वर्क। और इसीलिए वी हियर टू टॉक टू द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ स्मार्ट लाइफ मिस्टर विनोद मेहरा एंड द ऑफिशियल स्पोक्सपर्सन मिस मंजुला रामकृष्णन, हु ऑल्सो हैपन्स टू बी द लीड ऑफ अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव कॉल्ड स्मार्ट रीडिंग। इसके जरिए ब्लू कॉलर वर्कर्स ना सिर्फ इंग्लिश पढ़ना सीखते हैं पर ऑल्सो कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलना सीखते हैं। मंजुला, विनोद, वेलकम टू सलाम नमस्ते यूएई।
Thank you.
एंड राइट अप फ्रंट हम आपका दिल से शुक्रन करते हैं फॉर ऑल द वंडरफुल स्टफ दैट यू डू फॉर ब्लू कॉलर वर्कर्स। थैंक यू। So Smart Life is actually doing something incredible. There are about 10 initiatives that you follow every year.
Absolutely, Tarana. In fact, under the Smart Life, there are about 10 projects. And it's something like if you're playing a game of jigsaw puzzle, unless you put those
Pieces together.
you don't realize the picture.
That's true.
So in Smart Life also we have 10 programs, and when you bring them together, you see the philosophy of Smart Life.
So I'm aware of a few of them, but for our viewers at home, would you just quickly tell us about all that you do?
Okay. Smart Life as such is registered with Dubai government, and we have around 10 projects, and they are periodically planned across 12 months.
Okay.
Some of the 3 pillars we have is we have something called compassion, second pillar is skills, and third is fun. So within the 3 pillars we have programs aligned.
Okay.
Under compassion we have Smart Medical Camp, and its name is self-evident.
Yes, it is.
Medical Camp, and then we have a wellness program which is on the meditation and people who suffer from diabetes or blood pressure are looking after that.
Okay.
And then we have skills enhancement.
Right.
This is imparting the vocational skills, and that's where the smart reading also comes.
Right.
Where we practice with them smart English reading skills, communication skills.
So the smart reading program is something that you run the lead on.
Yes, every project has a lead,
Sure.
a project lead, and I'm in charge of smart reading, yes.
And in case you think this is a professionally run organization, it is, but it is also made up of volunteers, right?
It is completely run by volunteers. All of us hold regular jobs and still passionate about what Smart Life is doing. It's home to us.
Of course it is. So in the smart reading, I believe you're helping the blue collar workers improve their English. So that's reading and speaking.
It's a mix of both. The program has 2 components.
Okay.
Sharma. Let me very quickly run you through this. The first part is to do with reading as in confidence building.
Okay.
When they walk in, they are very diffident about the English language.
That's true.
So we first tell them, hey, it's not our language either. We've learnt it along the way.
Right.
So let's do this together. So we first instill that confidence in them to be able to read English.
And read aloud.
Yes,
Ah.
and in front of a group of say
Right.
20, 30 students, and that calls for a certain degree of,
Yes, it does.
I can do it kind of spirit. And one leading to the other as a natural flow. From reading, we move on to teaching them how to speak in English. So that's the communication part.
They have very busy lives. I mean, they work every day. I'm not sure how many days off they get. How do you manage to then do classes for 6 months and actually get them to enroll and do this?
Every Friday is our class. Our programs are mainly centered around Fridays.
And
because
they're
that's-
willing to give you their free time
Yes.
to do this, huh?
Yes, you said it. That shows the dedication. That shows the need they have in them to improve themselves. And that is our strength.
And how many hours of Friday do you
2
take
hours.
from them?
2 hours, 3 to
Okay.
5. Smart reading, every module, Fridays, 3 to 5.
Okay.
An hour of reading, an hour of spoken English, communication.
And now, post 6 months, if somebody thinks, I think now I want to, continue to do this module and further improve, can they stay with you or are they done?
Absolutely.
And all of the Smart Life began in what, 2009?
Approximately 6 years back, in fact, registered about 6 years back.
About
so
6 years back.
Let's say about 2001, if I'm not mistaken, yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And I know you said there were 3 pillars and one of the pillars is fun.
Yeah, there are 3 pillars, in fact. One is the compassion, skills, and the last one is the fun. In fact, every program has a fun element.
Okay.
Even the smart reading has a fun element.
We are completely moved by the kind of work that all of you and your colleagues put into Smart Life. So thank you very much, and we wish you all the success for your future endeavors. I know there are many more years and many more initiatives for you to do. So thank you for that. And now we're going to maybe head towards a picnic, but before that, I'd like to talk to a few of your students if that's okay with you.
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Nothing would give us greater pride
should I
than
talk to them in
having
English
stayed.
only?
Yes. Let's do
In fact,
that.
I'd just like to add a little one point, in fact.
Yeah.
The blue collars who have been with our journey, we expect them to stay back, and some of them do stay back.
And help you.
And help us. In
And
fact,
join Smart Life.
Join Smart Life, and I would say all 10 programs, 50% of the functioning is handled by the blue collars.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So I would love to talk to a few of your students, and I'm sure you'd like to meet them too. So let's go. Yusuf, Masood, please welcome.
Hi Tarana.
Hello, कैसे आप दोनों?
Hi Tarana. ठीक है।
So I believe आप दोनों ना सिर्फ students हो बल्कि project managers भी हो।
जी, जी।
कौन से projects पर?
Now Smart Idol
हाँ।
और Smart Meditation, Smart Reading and all Smart
both of product.
both of product.
A lot of the projects,
Yes,
हाँ?
yes.
लेकिन but typically आपका मतलब दिन का भी
Smart
काम
idol.
होता है ना?
जी, बिल्कुल।
हाँ, so आप क्या करते हो?
मैं गलादारी ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनी में एज अ ऑर्डिनरी लेबर हेल्पर काम करता हूँ।
Okay. और आप क्या करते हो?
मैं सर्वियो कंपनी में हूँ मैं ऑफिस असिस्टेंट
हाँ
वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर में, दुबई वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर में काम
तो आप 6 दिन काम करते हो या 5 दिन?
6 दिन
और ओनली छुट्टी इज फ्राइडे?
Friday.
एंड फ्राइडे के दिन देन आप प्रोजेक्ट मैनेज करते हो
Yes.
फॉर स्मार्ट लाइफ
Yes.
अपने छुट्टी के दिन?
Yes.
यस
देन इज दैट अ सैक्रिफाइस कि नहीं?
No. We are very enjoyed and we like that.
You
That's
like
why,
it?
Yeah, I'm like it because before Smart Life I'm joining.
हाँ.
I'm nothing else. I don't know about the English and all.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये पूरा मेंबर के साथ और स्मार्ट लाइफ का फैमिली के साथ मिल के काम करने के लिए बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
एंड आई बिलीव कि आज आप लोग कुछ ज्यादा ही एक्साइटेड हो क्योंकि पिकनिक भी आपने ऑर्गेनाइज
Yes,
की है।
Yes,
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 हाँ?
yes, we are
तो
very
क्या games
excited.
वगैरह
आज
होंगे?
good, Yes,
हाँ,
yes. We are,
आज picnic
we are
में
playing there is too much fun and too much games.
अच्छा द पिकनिक इज साउंडिंग वेरी एक्साइटिंग सो इफ आई कम यू लेट मी प्ले गेम्स विद यू?
Yes, sure.
पक्का?
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay, then I will see you at the picnic and you can come to the picnic too. Nelson Mandela once said that education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. And I see that change happening right here. Salam Namaste UAE salute karta hai in workers ki spirit ko and we admire them for their dedication towards education to change their own futures. और हम इनका कहते हैं दिल से शुक्रान for all that they do to make the UAE a better place for you and me. On that note लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक के बाद कहीं मत जाइएगा because it's time for our छोटी सी आशा.
यादों के लम्हे, यादों के लम्हे।
And welcome back to Salam Namaste UAE. जब मैं 5 साल की थी मेरे पेरेंट्स ने डिसाइड किया कि अगर नाम रख ही दिया है तराना तो बच्चे को कम से कम तराना डांस तो करना आना चाहिए. बस कथक लेसन्स शुरू हो गए. फिर 16 साल की उम्र में मैंने फैसला किया यार कथक के अलावा भी तो कुछ आना चाहिए एंड आई जॉइन शामक्स क्लासेस. सो बेसिकली आई थिंक ओवर 20 years of my life I too have danced. So when I saw this email from this adorable viewer of ours जिसने कहा कि I think my greatest wish is to be able to go to a dance class and formally learn how to dance, it touched a chord in my heart and I decided I have to meet her. You should meet her too. Diksha Sarkar. Welcome to Salam Namaste UAE. Hi. And thank you for inviting us to your beautiful home.
You're most welcome.
And ये जो artwork आप देख रहे हो मेरे पीछे वगैरह ये आपने बनाया है?
Yeah.
So आपको पेंटिंग का शौक है या प्रोफेशनली करते हो?
शौक बचपन से था, अभी प्रोफेशन हो गया है. Like
and बचपन में आपको डांसिंग का भी शौक था?
yeah, जी.
Okay. But you didn't get to dance.
नहीं, क्योंकि सी हम लोग like in my family it was me, my brother and my father and my mother and dad was the only earning member.
Okay.
So घर से ट्यूशन से स्कूल फिर you know everything like वक्त नहीं मिला plus उसके बाद like middle class family.
Yeah.
So that was the thing and then I thought कि you know जब मैं बड़ी हो जाऊंगी पैसे जमाऊंगी और then I'm going to join a dance class. And then I started working and now I'm here in Dubai and you know how Dubai works. It's like you have to pay your rents in advance.
Of course.
And so kabhi
Yeah, plus I mean, there's rent, there's groceries,
Yes.
वगैरह. So
And-
I'm guessing आप अपने आप को indulge नहीं कर पा रहे हो.
exactly and थोड़े बहुत जो भी savings होता है I would rather send it to my parents back home. So that's the whole thing and that's why I've not been able to save to and you know how expensive these dance classes are.
expensive.
So that's why
Okay, so that's why आप formally नहीं सीख पाए हो.
yes.
But like dance करना आता है.
थोड़ा बहुत अब दिल्ली की हूँ तो दिल्ली में तो आप जानते हो बारातियों में तो होता रहता है so I've done that
अच्छा you're the expert बराती.
oh yes
हाँ, like सहेलियाँ वगैरह बुला लेती हैं आपको कि
चलो अभी बारात आ गई है I'm not even invited to that wedding but बारात है चलो
so what is that बेगानी की शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना.
जी
You are the Abdullah at the wedding.
Yes.
Oh, very cool. I like you already. So any favorite dancers that you may have?
well माधुरी दीक्षित she's a legend
सबकी favorite.
वो तो सबकी है and then of course now I am a fan of Ranbir Kapoor and
रणबीर कपूर.
yes
उनके डांसिंग के लिए या मतलब क्योंकि वो कूल है इसलिए?
दोनों तो and Shraddha Kapoor I mean the work she's done in ABCD
ABCD too, हाँ.
yes that was
Yeah, she's good,
gorgeous
she's good
that
with
was gorgeous
So what kind of dance would you like to try?
Bollywood definitely. Yeah, like बचपन से Bollywood movies देख के बड़ी हुई हूँ. So definitely Bollywood. Yes.
And is there any other reason besides the fact कि आपको मतलब डांस का शौक है that you want to join a dance class?
I really want to learn how to dance. There's a secret motive behind it because I get very conscious when I'm dancing.
Why?
Because obviously I'm a little overweight. So the thing is I cannot do certain steps what like Shraddha Kapoor or Ranbir.
You know the most graceful dancers are usually overweight. Saroj Khan को आप देख लो.
That's why I'm taking the inspiration and I'm breaking out of my comfort zone.
That's true.
So that's what I really want to do. But yeah, there's a secret motive that I really want to lose weight with it and do my I don't want it to be like an exercise, but then dancing is something which I never would like to miss a class.
You've tried the gym route.
Yes, I have. Like when I came here, I've tried gyms, I've tried walking, but it doesn't happen. You're not dedicated to it.
अच्छा.
So
Membership ले लियो फिर उसको.
हाँ, फिर like अच्छा चलो आज तो Sunday है, आज नहीं जाएंगे. अच्छा आज तो Friday है, अच्छा आज तो इसका birthday है, अच्छा आज तो movie है. You know everything then just falls out of place, and then slowly and eventually you just leave it.
Yeah,
You're not.
अगर
Yeah.
आप इस्तेमाल नहीं करने वाले अपनी membership को then yes.
Exactly, and that again is a lot of expense.
Of course.
So, dancing, I know that once I join dancing, that would be something I would not miss.
Are you sure?
Yes, definitely, because Bollywood dancing is something which is very close to my heart.
So ultimately you'd like to dance like Shraddha Kapoor.
I would like to dance like Diksha Sarkar.
Oh, like Diksha Sarkar. Well
Yes.
done, Diksha. अच्छा चलो मुझे लग रहा है I'm convinced that you are truly passionate about wanting to lose weight and then do this dance class. So आपकी विश को हम शायद पूरा कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको मुझे प्रॉमिस करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, what is it?
That whatever we set up for you, you will do with dedication. And gym की तरह इसको आप ditch नहीं करोगे.
Okay,
पक्का promise.
Paka promise.
All right, now go and wear something comfortable because we're going to make this happen now.
Right now?
Right now.
Okay.
Okay, go get changed and we'll go.
Oh my God, is this a dance studio?
It is, and it's not just a dance studio, it's mad about dance का dance studio. तुम काफी पागल हो ना डांस को लेके? हाँ. So I've got you to the perfect place. Okay, let Mahima explain what's going to happen here. Mahima, hi.
Hi Tarana.
Good to meet you.
Nice to see you.
Listen, Diksha is the girl that we've been telling you about.
Okay.
Salam Namaste UAE pe she wrote in and said, listen, I really want to lose weight and I want to do it through dance, and I thought of you, and this is just so perfect that you've agreed to do this.
No, thank you. It's our pleasure. Welcome Diksha to MAD.
So 3 महीनों के लिए मैं इनको आपके हवाले कर सकती हूँ.
अच्छा, बिल्कुल आराम से आंखें बंद करके.
I'm going to get out of here and I will see you in a few months. Just have fun and listen to everything she says. Okay? Good luck, darling. Thank you. And thank you so much.
Bye Tarana. Thank you. Hello. Hi Diksha. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Excited?
Very.
ओके तो अभी नेक्स्ट 3 मंथ्स में हमें क्या करना है, आपको फिट करना है, आपको डांस करवाना है और बहुत कुछ करवाना है. सो आई हैव सम थिंग्स इन माइंड ओके फॉर यू. पहले मंथ हम क्या करने वाले हैं, विल हैव जुम्बा ओनली, वी विल ओनली डू 8 क्लासेस in a month, so that would just it will tone up your body and it won't be too much strain on you. और उसके बाद we will do Bollywood fitness.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect for you, right?
Yes.
You like Bollywood?
Yes.
You like dancing?
Yes.
And you want to get fit?
That's right.
So I have these expert choreographers जो आपको ये सब करवाने वाले हैं in the next 3 months, and you are going to go through a nice metamorphosis. Okay? All right. So Diksha, are you ready to meet the trainers?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Pakka?
Yeah.
Okay. Shahid and Santush, please come. Okay. So this is Santush.
Hi.
And this is Shahid.
Hi.
Okay. So Diksha, before I go, हमारा एक रिचुअल है, ठीक है? हम जो भी आता है हम उनको बुलवाते हैं. Don't just dance, go mad.
Okay.
Are you ready for that?
Yes.
चलो. Don't just dance, go mad.
In the words of Anne Frank, how wonderful it is that nobody need wait a moment before starting to improve the rest of the world. तो क्यों ना आप और हम भी अपनी कम्युनिटी को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए एक छोटा सा ही सही पर एक कदम आगे बढ़ाएं? We hope that through the stories of Salam Namaste UAE, you too are inspired to give back to the community with love. तो चलिए, on that note, it's time to take your leave. अगली मुलाकात अगले एपिसोड में. Until then, be good and do good.